OK, we'll have a full weather forecast for you in the next half an hour. Quick summary, though, now with Helen.
Ben, thanks. Just wanted to bring you up to date on Hurricane Melissa, now a Category 2, but really I have to stress it's still a very powerful, life-threatening storm. The winds are still a steady 105 miles an hour, and there's another 5 to 10 inches of rain to come, with that storm surge now focusing on the Bahamas. This is the satellite picture behind me here, as you can see. It's such a large storm, still affecting Hispaniola, the Turks and Caicos, where some areas have had torrential rain for the best part of a week. And then by tomorrow, it's heading towards Bermuda, Ben.
All right, Helen, we'll talk to you more later. Brings back the memories. All right, let's see what the weather's doing. Here's Helen.
Ben, thanks very much. So we've been talking about Melissa, Hurricane Melissa. Let's come back home to the UK, where we've got some fairly typical autumnal weather over the coming few days. It turns milder as well, and it won't be a washout. There'll be some sunshine as well. But let me run the rainfall totals as they pile up through the next few days. Rain for all, but some of the wettest weather, as you can see from the darker blues and the greens, will be across western areas. But I think all parts of the UK will see some rainfall over the coming few days. And that's because we've a succession of Atlantic lows coming in. This one comes in through tomorrow, and then it sits to the northwest of the UK, and we see weather systems just churning around that deep driving area of low pressure. So there'll be some sunshine in between, and it will, on the whole, be mild for the time of year. But it also means we'll see some rain too. We've got low pressure across Scotland, so one band of rain here, showers following across Northern Ireland, Northern England, Southern Scotland, and we've still got the remnants of the rain from our weather system in the south, so it's really going to drag its heels. I don't think we'll see much brightness or dry weather in southern and eastern areas. The best of the sunshine is across Wales, Northern England at the moment, the southwest, and we will see one or two showers coming into the north and west as well. So as a result of a slight change in wind direction, today is actually a little bit cooler than yesterday, and tonight, as that rain clears and the showers tend to fade away, the stars return, it's going to be a quieter night. And that means it will be a colder night, with a touch of frost across Scotland particularly, but some fog around as we go towards tomorrow morning. So a chillier start Thursday and some patchy fog, notably southern Scotland, perhaps northern England as well, a few patches elsewhere, but a bright start, a dry start for many of us. The fog does take a time to clear though this time of year, late morning I think for many. And by late morning, rain across Northern Ireland is pushing its way into Scotland and northwestern parts of England. The next change, the next area of low pressure I showed you coming in. Ahead of that, it might be that compared with today, East Anglia, the South East and the Midlands stay largely dry, but then through tomorrow night, that rain pushes right across the UK and further bands of showery rain follow then into Friday. Some really quite hefty showers around. Wouldn't want to rule out the odd rumble of thunder, a little bit of wintriness right on the tops of the mountains, but we're changing our wind direction. It's a southerly that we're picking up by the time we get to Friday. So for the first time this week, temperatures into double fingers across the north of Scotland, where it's been particularly chilly. And then for the weekend, it's more of the same. The devil's in the detail. Really hard to pick out exactly when these bands of showery rain are going to be moving in, but for all of us, they will. But it should stay on the mild side for the most part. So a changeable picture here in the UK at the moment. Of course, for more on Hurricane Melissa, you can head to the website, but I'll hand you back to Ben now.
All right, Helen, thank you very much indeed. And